walking. Tara, mall na oh. Movie theater, be?
Yeah. Dako ang queen.
Okay pa naman sa kada oras, 25.
Wow,
I don't need to get bored.
yeah.
We are going to school.
Diraon niya, madto, masayo ko
So hello, this was back on May 26, the first time that we sent my niece to school. And you know what, guys? She was so happy that day because she had a lot of bodyguards. But I'm just uploading this for future reference, for memory.
dili mo lingkutan. Iyaram ng kuya.